I am not fit for this office and never should have been here. We must have a citizenship less concerned about what the government can do for it and more anxious about what it can do for the nation. America's present need is not heroics, but healing, not nostrums, but normalcy, not revolution, but restoration, not agitation, but adjustment, not surgery, but serenity, not the dramatic, but the dispassionate, not experiment, but equipoise, not submergence in internationality, but sustainment in triumphant nationality. Honesty is the great essential. It exalts the individual citizenship, and without honesty, no man deserves the confidence of the people in private pursuit or in public office. I would not be my natural self if I did not utter my consciousness of my limited ability to meet your full expectation or to realize the aspirations within my own breast. But I'll gladly give all that is in me, all of heart, soul, and mind, and the fighting love of country to service in our common cause. I can only pray to the omnipotent God that I may be as worthy in service as I know myself to be faithful in thought and purpose. One cannot give more. My countrymen, the surpassing war of all times has involved us and found us utterly unprepared in either a mental or military sense. The Republic must awaken. The people must understand. Our safety lies in full realization. The fate of the nation and the security of the world will be decided on the western battlefront of Europe. Inherent rights are from God, and the tragedies of the world originate in their attempted denial.